GH for STEM Juniors Challenge. HILDA AWUNI is a student of St. John's JHS located in Bolgatanga within the Upper East region of Ghana. She will show us how to prepare hydrogen gas. She does this using diluted hydrochloric acid, a funnel, a magnesium ribbon, a matchstick, and a test tube with its holder. Now let's see what this junior scientist can do. Hydrogen gas is used in many industries, especially petroleum industries.
First of all, I would have to wear my goggles in order to prevent the acid from splashing into my eye.
Strong acids are corrosive and can cause damage to any part of the human body.
Then pour the acid into the beaker gently. I would go on to pour the acid into the test tube with the help of the funnel. I would peel the coating of the magnesium ribbon in order for it to react faster with the hydrochloric acid with the help of the knife. I would cut a piece of the magnesium ribbon and drop it into the hydrochloric acid.
Acids produce gas when a piece of metal drops into them. Magnesium ribbon is a metal. The gas released is hydrogen gas.
I would use the lid to cork the top of it. The bubbles indicate that the hydrochloric acid is reacting with the magnesium ribbon to produce hydrogen gas. I would go on to light the match and take it closer to the reaction. When hydrogen gas comes into contact with a lighted match, it produces a pop sound.
Hydrogen gas produces a pop sound in the presence of fire.
The application of the experiment is the hydrogen gas that is generated can be used to fuel rocket, which is used for space operation. It can also be used to fly hot balloons. And then we also get ammonia from hydrogen gas, which is used to prepare fertilizer for agricultural purpose. My name is Paul Gayaku Anama, integrated science teacher at St. John's Junior High School, Bolgatanga.
It's time for Juneos practical STEM quiz. Is the loudness of the pop sound dependent on the amount of acid used? Will the use of little acid produce a small sound? And the use of a large volume of acid produce a higher sound? What do you think of HILDA's experiment? Cool, right? So now, you should try this at home, either by yourself or with your friends from school. Also, make a video or take pictures of your experiment. Ask your teacher or your parents to help you post the results of your experiment on social media. Tag We Go Innovate so that you can win some fabulous prizes. Don't forget to add your name and the name of your school to your entry and hashtag GH4STEM. You can check out any of our experiments at www.wegoinnovate.org and please leave a comment. You can also follow us on social media at We Go Innovate or WhatsApp us on 055 406 6248. Good luck with your experiment. You can be a junior scientist too.